Let's continue our journey learning the Python core. Today is the last tutorial about data types, and today we will solve the final practical tasks. Let's get started. We are given Python program to print all the unique values of all the dictionaries and a list. Example input, list of dictionaries with key and value. And output, we are returning the only unique values. Let me show you. Here you can see S001 and here also S001, but we should keep it only one, not both of them, just unique values. Okay, let's proceed. Create a function def, define a function check and list of dictionaries with any data type, like it can be number, it can be string, and we will return sets because, as you know, set is sort doesn't allow duplicates. Let's create a new variable unique values, make it empty set. Now we should iterate over all the dictionary values. Here dictionary and list we are getting here in the first iteration. And now for value and dictionary values, because as you can see here, it can be like this. Oops, like this, like here, and we should iterate over all of them. Firstly this and this, and that's why we are for value and dictionary values. Unique values add value because set doesn't allow duplicates. We can bravely just call the unique values and add, not check whether it has or not. Just paste the value. Set will extract, know itself whether to add or just skip it. Okay, we will iterate over all the values in a dictionary. Here all the dictionaries in a list. Okay, lastly, just return the unique values set. Let's test it. Print check and call the function, paste the list of dictionaries. Python 3 task 1 .py. Hit enter, and here we have a result: S009, S002, S001, S005, S007. There's no duplicates. Nice. Let's move on. Practical task 2. Write a program which makes a pretty print of part of the multiplication tuple table. Example input, row start is 2, row end is 4, column start is 3, column end is 7, and output should be 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. It's doing like this: 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, 2 by 5, 10, 2 by 6, 12, 2 by 7, 14, and then again 3 by 3, 9. Define a function check row start integer, row end integer, column start integer, column end integer, and return list of lists with integers, as here list of lists with integers. Let's create new variable with full list and make it empty. For I in range row start to till row end plus 1, but why? Because it should be inclusive. For also should be here from 2 to 4 inclusive. Now you should create another list, part list, it's partial or, and now we should iterate over the columns here from 3 to 7 inclusive, and append to our smaller list values I to 3, I to 8. Let's assume I is 2, and here let's assume j is 3. Its multiplication 2 by 3 here, and it's appending 6 to our smaller list. After doing it with all the column values, with 3, with 4, with 5, with 6, with 7, it will go from this loop and append smaller list this to our full list, big list. Like let's assume we have this big list, and now it's just smaller list to our big list appending here, and it will continue for loop until it reaches row end plus 1 until 4. It will do same with 3, same with 4, and then return the full list. Let's test it. Call the function, paste the numbers and return. Okay, Python task 2. We have a result list of list and integers 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, blah blah blah, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Okay, nice.